What is up, YouTube? Just another quick video. It's Andrew here from Full Force. We just had a customer with his 2020 Ktm 500 come in for a suspension setup, and it was so quiet. The 2020 models come with an insane spark arrestor in the muffler. I've got a quick video of what it sounded like before, which I'll put in now. And I'm going to do a quick video on what it sounds like afterwards. The obviously, it's probably some Euro emissions thing, but yeah, this was actually inside the muffler, in here. We have removed it, and the bike sounds insane. Well, not insane, but a hell of a lot better. Not quite like an FMF, but a huge improvement. We'll cut to the footage afterwards. Now. Yeah, so there you have it. If you've got one of these and you want to make it sound good, it takes a few minutes to pull that spark arrestor out. Definitely worth doing. Catch you on the next one.